Hello YouTube, here are the steel parts. I spent almost a whole video on making them, the previous video. This is to make an extra wheel, a support wheel for my IBC tote lifter, for my mini digger. Yeah, I cannot explain that, you have to see it. So you have to just hang along here, and because we are going to use it in this video. And I know you don't like me welding here, so I will just tack this up and then I come back. Now it is taking shape, but I need to go and buy some material from square barn for the threads for the screw. So I think the machining is done. We have this contraption, the lifter. And this should go on here. Should have the cylinder on there. I made it so that I can mount it and dismount it. I hope it works. It can be some welding distortion here, but let's speed this up a bit. So there it is. I just put the plate back with 4 screws, so I think this will go off and on a few times there. So that is the action. So it can go there. And then the wheel should go on there. Yeah, you get the point there. And it shouldn't interfere with the IBC tote there, but somewhere here I think it's alright. Let's just put it there. There it is. So then that's that. So then it can be here. Up, you have to see here. You have to have this position. And let's say that the most downwards I can have. Cylinder fully in. It's here. Can I open it up? I can do that, yes. Come on. Oh, and my ultra strong rig here. Oh. So if it is there, it can push it all the way down. I guess I can pull it too high up as well. It can be up there. I don't think that was too bad. I'll put the tack there. And here it is. Yeah, it isn't supposed to swivel around the whole circle there. But it's all here, it is all working. Cylinder is here, this giant cylinder. But that should be plenty. It will push 800 kilo there, so that should be enough. So I need to measure up the length of the hoses. So let's put it up on the mini digger. I didn't explain what the purpose is, but it is that extra wheel over there. It will take the weight of the IBC tote, or at least half of the weight of the IBC tote. So I can lift heavier IBC totes, because they are so heavy with green firewood. Anyways, I need to measure up the length of the hydraulic hoses. So I think it looks alright. I think this will work. So I need to go from the cylinder here, and it is a very small one, but it should be plenty. Up here, where I have some quick connectors, which I can control with my foot pedal over there. So if you say, I think I will need to go out here, and so if I say 130, I need to have the worst situation, and I think that is when I have folded up this contraption. I think 130, it is not good to have big loops here. Yeah, got the hoses. You know, this type of connection is called a banjo connection because it is shaped like a guitar. Too good fit then, almost. There we have that one. So, which side? There is 100% chance to do this wrong. So I won't even bother, I just put it there. Is that? And then I have to rearrange a little bit here. And there it is. Well, it doesn't run as smooth as I was hoping for. Wonder what that is. It seems to be pretty stuck there, so I will take it apart. And there was a little weld bead that got in there, and it all seized up here. And it wasn't in the right size there after I tacked it up there. Yeah. You can always save a little time by not testing, but now we do that. Now we test. Anyways, what I wanted to do before the camera battery runs flat is to put in all these screws now. If you're a bit lucky, then the camera will. Yeah, there we have it. And this went just as good as I hoped for. It couldn't have gone better. Yeah, it could have gone better. The ground was soft here. We got rain yesterday, so it's all soft here. But hey, it worked really good. And now I have made the necessary move, so I will take this contraption away. Thanks for watching.